Namaskar, this is Dr. Hema Divakar from Bengaluru, India, inviting all of you for a FIGO masterclass under the theme of Understanding the Less Understood. This is a collaborative effort by the FIGO Committee for Reproductive and Endocrinology and Infertility, chaired by Dr. Jaideep Malhotra, with the division head Yvonne Dias, who have collaborated with the FIGO Committee for Well Women Healthcare, chaired by myself, Dr. Hema Divakar. The deliberation on recurrent pregnancy loss is going to be webcast on the 26th of August, Friday at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Dear friends, we invite you to log in, reflect on what you are doing in your practice in cases of recurrent pregnancy loss, what the literature support says, what the recent trends in management are, and how the quest for understanding the less understood continues. So on behalf of Jaideep, Yvonne Dias, myself, Dr. Hema Divakar, and the entire FIGO community, we welcome you to the FIGO Masterclass on the 26th of August, 6:30 p.m. Friday. See you there. Namaste.